Ki khubor ka Bthei TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Sorkar Bapet ya Marcos and Marang. La Pyntip baka Bthei ki pipe kadai namar baka Nhidcl kamshem la Pyntip ya katanat PHE bakan Pyntrei Surok batang nagatakadaw ka jingsam siya ki pipe ba kalathot hadu prasingi kanthi. Laithu ba mentala laban marmot bat nadu la syai ka kan wan kumba julong namar ba katanat kala pandai da ki pipe ki bathamai ki bahadu laispa mitar. Ulaong bakatanat PHE kamshem la syong thaj Pyntrei kalatray miet bat singi ban marmot kanang bakanom kata yakipay ba.
And I think they will knock on the top. Otherwise, if we charge this line, here's the busing happens, sir. Totally abandoned this one. Yeah, abandoned. So originally this pipe is outside the road. But now not repairable also because of this wall. This wall, and it's inside this road only. Acha, the main cause is because of the busing here, we cannot do the repairing. That's why we took longer this day. Yes, you have to shift the pipe. Yes.
About the recently happened water leakage in 101 area. This has happened actually, inside the Nhidcl constructed road, newly constructed road, and the leakage was well inside the new constructed Nhidcl road, and it was very difficult to excavate to the point where the pipe is laid. So therefore, the department has no other option but to go for a alternative line, and department has gone for the alternative line. Around stretches of 300 meters, new line has been created. Pipes have been laid, for which it has taken some time. I think 8 days altogether till today. It is 8 days today. So therefore, it has taken some time because new line has to be created, because the earlier line, which was broken and water was leakage inside, could not be repaired at all because of the Nhidcl work. This has happened, at the same time when PHE department is realigning the pipes because of the highway construction by Nhidcl. So fortunately, we have taken some NOCs and some permissions whichever was required for laying the pipes all alongside the road. Otherwise, it would have taken so long. So I understand people have suffered a lot. I would assure people that PHE department has taken a lots of pain. Whole night officers were camping there, doing the work. They have not slept well till last 1 week, and they have been doing the work. So now everything is restored, everything is completed, all the works are completed, and we are hoping to release the water gradually after some time from today evening. But full volume of water will be released by tomorrow. The cause of the leakage, as I said, was because of the rod construction. The rod were constructed above the pipe laid, where pipe were laid, and that pipe could not be excavated because it is well inside the NHIDCL constructed road. Probably while constructing the road, they might have touched the pipes there, and because of which the pipe have broken. Yes, as I had already mentioned earlier, that realignment of pipes were happening, and it was happening, alongside the construction of the roads. But then, these portion were not completed. But they have gone ahead, and they have gone ahead and they have constructed. And this NHIDCL, is provoking most of the time in somewhere else, some portion of the works. So our officers are on the job, and time and again they are meeting and they are clearing whatever doubts are there. So this portion was left, and realignment was happening. So because of that, it has happened. It has caused some serious communication gap between the thing NHIDCL. It has to be NHIDCL should have taken strong measures, and they should have informed PHE department before laying all those constructed roads. This we are trying to request the government, from the government level, inquiry should be conducted, and action should be taken as per the inquiry report. Now we are releasing partially because the anchoring, we call it anchoring, in the band pipes, anchoring needs to be cured. So anchoring curing will take almost 12 hours. So therefore, we cannot release full amount of water. We are releasing partially so that localities get some portion of water.